Welcome to MYFUNDBOX. This quick tutorial will guide you through the process of importing customer details into MYFUNDBOX. First, log into your MYFUNDBOX account using your credentials. Navigate to Settings from the menu. Next, click on Import and then select the Customers tab. Now, click on the Upload button to add your file. Note: only CSV files are supported. Select comma or semicolon as the delimiter. Next, map your file fields to the appropriate customer details in MYFUNDBOX. Once you've done that, click on Preview to review the data. Select your preferred payment method. And finally, click I am done. I imported these data. That's it. You've successfully imported customer details into MYFUNDBOX.